Hi guys, welcome back to the live class for today. If you can hear me, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. So please just drop a thumbs up or just drop a comment. Drop a yes in the comments so I will know that you can hear me. Let me check. Just drop a yes in the comments. Drop a yes in the comments so that I will know that you can hear me, or you do a like. You just drop a like. Just click the like button, then I will know that you can hear me. Okay, all right, okay, so I've seen at least a like. It shows that someone can hear me out there. So welcome again. We are still on the Satoshi app for beginners. Satoshi app for beginners. We've had other classes. We have like 2 classes before now, so you can do well to check those if you need to just catch up with where we are right now. Okay, so today we'll be looking at how to withdraw tokens from Satoshi app. So we're going to be taking it live, and if you have a question, you can drop a question in the chat room. Once in a while I'll be checking the chat room to see your question. That is in the comments. Sorry, you can drop your question in the comments, so I'll be checking to see your comments and respond to your question that you have, that you drop in the comments. So just follow along with me. So we are doing this live. Okay, once again, I feel it's better we'll do live this way, so that when you have a challenge, we can sort it once and for all. That doesn't mean that at the end of the day we still that doesn't stop you from dropping your comments. If you are seeing this video after live, maybe you are not able to join us live. If you see this video after now, you can still drop your comments, and we will respond. You can also do well to join the Telegram channel, also to keep the conversation going. Okay, all right. So, and don't forget to, okay, let's move on first. So now, like I said earlier, we are looking at how to withdraw tokens from Satoshi app. Okay, but we'll be using the recent token that just ended on Satoshi app as the case study. And note that whatever we do here today, it's applied to every other tokens that you want to withdraw from Satoshi app, except there is otherwise announcement. As long as you are asked to withdraw the token to EVM wallet address, core EVM wallet address, this process we are doing today can still apply. You can just follow the process and don't stress yourself. Just follow the process, and you will be able to withdraw your tokens successfully. Okay, so okay, so if you are not already on Satoshi Airdrop app, just do the usual, which is if someone has invited you to this video, I mean to the class, to join the class, ask the person to give you the registration link for the Satoshi Airdrop app, for you to join the Satoshi Airdrop app. Okay, just ask the person to give you the registration link. And if you are here by yourself, perhaps you just stumble on this, or I'm the one that invited you. Okay, so you can still use I can go to my Twitter. Go to my Twitter and go to the Twitter. Just search for Tokunbo Adebowale on Twitter. You will see my name pops up. Okay, So then you will see the pinned post. The pinned post that actually is talking about the Satoshi app. Okay, so you see the link to register and get started with Satoshi app. And don't forget to also follow me on Twitter as well. Okay, so let's go to the Satoshi app and get started with the class. So first of all, let's look at the announcement on this Satoshi Airdrop app. Announcement that is related to the just concluded project, which is Clend. Okay. So by the way, you will always find the update about airdrop in the announcement. In the last class, we did an overview of the Satoshi Airdrop app, which we also talk about this part that has to do with announcement. So this megaphone icon that you're seeing here shows that is the place that you can find announcement, and whenever there is announcement, you will see this gray text will become orange to show orange. It means that there's a new announcement, but you can still click on it as it is now. If I click on it now, to take us to the airdrop announcement page. So this is where you find the announcement. So find the details about the project, the announcement about the project, the update about the project. You find it in the announcement. That's where we are right now. So we're going to follow these details, this announcement, this update. That's what we are going to follow. So each project, we always have the updates when it's ended, or when there's anything to pass across to the community by Satoshi, by the team. Okay, so so now for this, you can see the flyer says that wallet submission for Clend tokens. Okay, so I'll just read this out, then I will carry on from there. Okay, so the Clend airdrop on Satoshi app has ended. Then thank you to everyone who participated. Okay, so so let me just jump to okay. So let's read this. Please note that the following important details for wallet submission to receive your tokens. Please note the following important details for wallet submission to receive your tokens. Okay. Then you see the date that says wallet submission starts July 1st, which is today, and it will end July 20th, 2024. So now this part is very important. It says that the core EVM address required. Okay, the core EVM address required. So whenever you see EVM being mentioned, it means that you are meant to use a wallet address from a DEX, that is decentralized exchange. You are meant to use wallet address from a decentralized exchange. Okay, it's not centralized exchange. It's not centralized exchange wallet address that you're going to use. Okay, you are meant to use the wallet address from decentralized exchange, which is the EVM address. Then when you now have to consider the network, the blockchain. So now is specified here that you have to use core EVM. It means that you are using core network, core blockchain EVM. That is, you are using the core blockchain, core address from the DEX, from a DEX wallet, from a DEX wallet. DEX wallet can be, DEX wallet like MetaMask, and even your OEX wallet address is an EVM wallet address. The core blockchain on your OEX wallet address. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. The core blockchain, if you go to your OEX wallet address now, you have different blockchain. You have the core blockchain there. So the wallet address you are copying from that core blockchain, it's an EVM wallet address. Okay, then BitGet also has wallet. You have BitGet wallet and you have BitGet exchange. So the BitGet wallet, the core that you have on the BitGet, the core address that you have on the BitGet wallet, it's an EVM. It's an EVM wallet address. It's an EVM address. Okay. So EVM simply means Ethereum virtual machine. Okay. So okay. So I think that's clear. So that is what you are meant to copy. That's what we are going to go to now. We are going to go into the EVM wallet address and copy and and show you that. So it's even specified here that no centralized exchange address. Do not use centralized exchange wallet address, as you will not be able to receive your tokens. Okay, so I've explained what centralized wallet address is and what the centralized wallet address is. An example is MetaMask. Okay, then example of EVM address as well is your core blockchain on the OEX. Okay, and your BitGet as well. BitGet wallet is an EVM wallet address too. The core chain that you have on the BitGet wallet is your EVM wallet address. Then any other wallet address that core is on, that is a blockchain, core blockchain is on, is an EVM, because core is an EVM enabled yeah. So any wallet address, any decentralized wallet address that you have that is core EVM, that is core blockchain, that is an EVM wallet address. Okay. So given that example, you should have idea of which wallet address you should use. Okay, which wallet address you should use. All right. So now let me just state, for example, for you, which I've already mentioned. That's a MetaMask. You can use core wallet address from your MetaMask. Okay, you know that you have to set up to use on the MetaMask. You have to set up the core mainnet on MetaMask. You have to set up the core mainnet on MetaMask. I've done several videos that involves setting up core mainnet on wallet address. Okay, if you have been following me from the before now, there are several videos that I've explained that we even showed how to set up the core mainnet. Okay, so okay, so that is that. But this video now, on this video, I will be using BitGet. I'll be using BitGet wallet address because I'm not sure we've had a video that actually dealt with that extensively, So we're going into that. So let me go back to the home page on the Satoshi Airdrop app. Okay, so now let's first of all go and set up the wallet address. If you do not have BitGet wallet address already, you have to set up one. That is, if you want to use BitGet, if you want to follow what I'm doing here. But if you don't want to use BitGet, you can set up your wallet address on MetaMask. And if you have MetaMask already, of course, if you have been following the Satoshi Airdrop, that you've been participating in the Satoshi Airdrop, I know that you should have core mainnet on your MetaMask. If you have been using MetaMask to participate, so you can still use that. But it has to be core mainnet. It has to be, when you hear EVM, it doesn't mean that you have to use an Ethereum wallet. It doesn't mean that you have to use an Ethereum wallet address. I've had an issue, there's been an issue like that. Somebody submitted Ethereum wallet address I think that was the last for the OEX. Then he submitted Ethereum wallet address from MetaMask to claim wanted to use to claim OEX. Of course, that automatically that that the person will not be able to receive because it's not the same. It's not the same network. Okay. So if you hear EVM, it doesn't mean that you have to use an Ethereum wallet address. Even with the fact that it says Ethereum virtual machine, doesn't mean that it has to be Ethereum wallet address. So it means that that network, that blockchain, like Corner, is Ethereum virtual machine enabled. So that's what it means. So you have to just follow the details, like the announcement I just read out now that says, let's go back there. It says core EVM, core then EVM in bracket. So it means that it has to be core blockchain that is EVM enabled. Okay. And the EVM enabled, what makes it EVM enabled is that it has to come from the DEX, decentralized exchange. Okay, it's not from centralized exchange. All right, so let's set up for this purpose of this class. For the purpose of this class, let's set up a wallet, a BitGet wallet. Let's set up a BitGet wallet. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. I have a BitGet wallet address. I have a BitGet wallet already. So I'm going to delete it so that I can show you how to properly set up BitGet. So I've lost that account. Okay, so I'm going to set up another one. So let's go to to get the BitGet. So you can go to my Telegram channel. I'm waiting for it to load. So you can go to my Telegram channel and click on the pinned message here. Click on the pinned message. You will see BitGet wallet. See, there are two BitGet here. You have BitGet exchange. Okay, this is not what you're looking for. That is what the announcement is warning us about. That is not the wallet address from the exchange. So if you use this, it means that you are copying wallet address from the exchange. So you are using BitGet wallet. You can see BitGet wallet. There's BitGet exchange, and there's BitGet exchange, and there's BitGet wallet. Okay, so we are going to use BitGet wallet. So you can click on that. If you don't have BitGet wallet already, so you click on that, click on it, click on the BitGet wallet to download the BitGet. Okay, so now you can download from the APK or Google Play. So click on the Google Play Store, then click on install. So okay, let it be installing. Let be installing. While we're waiting for it to finish installing, I'll go to let me check if there's any question. If there's any question here, let me check if there's any question here. Okay, no question. Okay, no question. All right, let's go back and see if it's still downloading. So just wait for it to download in a few seconds. Okay, there's a few seconds to go. Just allow it for a few seconds. While we are waiting for it to finish downloading, it's about to finish anyway. Okay, so while we're waiting for it, you can still drop your question. If you have a question, you can drop your question. Okay, let me check. If you have a question, you can drop your question. Okay, no question yet. No, nothing in the comments yet. Okay, so now we have it downloaded. It's done. Let's check. Let me check. Okay, it's done downloading. Download. Okay, let me check here. Okay, so let's open it. Let's open it. I want to try as much as possible not to let this class take too long. Okay, so we have it open now. So now it's saying that you can create a wallet. It's asking if you want to create a wallet or import a wallet. So you can either import a wallet, that is like your OEX wallet can be imported into this. Okay, if you want to import your OEX wallet, you just use your private key or your seed phrase to import. Even your MetaMask wallet can come in. So that is the beauty of DEX, decentralized exchange. You can import one wallet to another wallet, just to be able to view your assets or to be able to interact with your asset on another DEX wallet. That's one of the beauty of using a DEX. Okay, and you have control over your wallet. You have control over your wallet. Okay, so because we are meant to create a new wallet, so we are going to click on create. Okay, we're going to click on create. We're going to click on create to create, then click on agree. And I'm going to use a random pin. Okay, so because at the end of the day I'm still going to delete this. Okay, it's not correct. Let me just use the one I can remember. Okay, so all right, so we have it loading now. Loading. Different wallets have their ways of setting up. Okay, so we are setting up on MetaMask. Of course, this is different way it will be. If you are setting up on OEX, you are setting up a wallet on OEX. It's going to be different as well. So this is different too. Click on got it. Okay, so the wallet is up. Then at this point you can skip. Okay, let's skip for now. Then you can add up assets if you want to later. So let's keep so that we can move as fast as possible. So now you have wallet set up. You have a wallet set up. So another thing you need to consider is that anytime you're setting up a new wallet, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you save your private key, your seed phrase or private key. So for this BitGet wallet, you can get your private key from here. You click on this where you have this bar. You click on it. When you click on it, then you can see that to bring you to this page. Select wallet. That is, if you have more wallet here, you can select anyone here. So now while you're on this page, you can click on management. You want to manage your wallet, just click on the management. When you click on the management, it will bring this up. If you have more than one wallet already, I'm sure you have to even add more wallets. So if you have more than one wallet, you will see them here. Then the one that you want to get the private key for is the one that you will select. You click this edit icon here. So when you click on this edit icon, to bring up this, so you can see that you have several options here. You have several options. You can see backup nominees. Okay, nominees. That's where you find your key. So when you click on it, it will take you to. But I can click on this because I'm eventually going to delete this wallet. Okay, I'm just using this for the class. Okay, all right. So when you click on it, so to finish this now, when you click on it, you have different options here. So you click backup nominees. Okay, backup name next. So when you click on it, click on this, click on it. So when you click on it, you have to now use your pin. You have to use your pin. So just come back here and back it up. Okay. So just you copy this. It's better you just write it out. You write it out. When you write it out, then you can now you can proceed. So when you write it out, what I usually advise people to do is that when you write it out like that, first of all, delete the, when you have it, you know, you are sure that you've written it out somewhere, then you delete the app. When you delete the app, then install the app again. Install the app again. When you install the app again, use the seed phrase, the private key that you've written somewhere. Use it to set up, to import the wallet back, just to be sure that the wallet is functioning. Okay, it's always safe to operate that way, because sometimes when you are writing it out, even when you copy it out somewhere, you perhaps must have missed out something that in your mind you think you are perfect, you have it perfectly. It is when something happened that you are now trying to, maybe you have already moved assets to that wallet. You moved assets to that wallet. You are now trying to access the assets, and at the end of the day, you are not able to, because something is missing. Maybe a letter or a word is missing, or is misarranged or something. So it's always good to do this verification first, to uninstall and install the app again, then use your private key to try and bring it back. Okay, so so that's the essence of that, to protect your okay. All right, guys, sorry, there's a break in the internet, so I think we are back now. If you can hear me, please drop a yes in the comments, or you give me a like. you do a thumbs up so I will know that you can hear me. There's a little break in the internet, so okay. So I just hope you can hear me. I hope that you can still hear me. I hope that you can still hear me. Can you still hear me? Can you hear me? All right, please, can you hear me now? Can you hear me clearly? Okay, okay. Okay, I think we are back now. All right. So now that you have been able to set up the wallet, okay, and you have been able to save your private key. All right. So how do you now get your core set up on the BitGet wallet? How do you get your core set up on the BitGet wallet? So what you need to do is you go to where you have all mainnet. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's add the core minutes. You have all minutes here. Where you have all minutes, you click on where you have all minutes, and you need to add core. So you can see in the all minutes there's no core here now. So what you need to do is to use the search bar here and type core to search for core. Okay, now we have core. Then click on the plus icon to add core to the mainnet. So now you have core. You have core because it's actually specified in the update, in that announcement for the submission of the wallet address, that it has to be core EVM. That's why we have to go up to this point. Okay, so we've been able to add core now. We've been able to add core, and you can still go as far as, just to be on the safe side, you can go as far as saving the private key of this of core. Okay, you can go as far as saving the private key of core. So when you click on the core, okay, let's go back. Okay, so let's check something here. Okay, so we are still on the wallet one. All right, so you can leave that. You can leave that. Okay. So now to copy the wallet address now, you already know what to do. You click on the car. And click on the car. You click on the car. So we're on the car mainnet proper now. Then you go to top here where you have the address. Then copy, you click on the copy icon to copy. You can see it has already said copied. Then you can now go to the Satoshi app. Go to Satoshi app and start the process of submitting the wallet address. Okay. So now I've been able to copy the core EVM wallet address now. Now, you see this wallet icon. It's always easy to use it to access your assets. So you click on it to take you to your assets. Okay. So now we are looking for the asset to bind. Remember that we are using the Clend as the example because it's the recent project that just ended. So that's what we're using as example. The same process can be used for some other project that will be coming up on the Satoshi app. Okay, after now some other projects will come, and as long as the project is stated that you should add core EVM address, just know that what that means is that you are adding core mainnet address, core address from a decentralized exchange, not a centralized exchange. From a decentralized exchange, that is where you're going to get your core address from. You can see that in that update, it's not stated that you should add core address from MetaMask. You should add core address from the BitGet wallet. You should add core address from the OEX. You should add core address from Trust Wallet or from. It's not stated that way, but that statement has covered for the details that you need about which address to add. It stated that add core EVM wallet address. Core EVM address. It means that any wallet address that accommodates core blockchain, core network. Any wallet address. When I say any wallet address, there has to be any decentralized wallet address. I hope I'm actually communicating with you. So I'm just trying to explain this well. That is one of the reasons I decided to do live video, because I know in that we can spell things out well. We can spell things out clearly. Okay. So I'm sure you are clear now that whenever you see EVM wallet address, as long as it's being stated, the network is being stated. Okay, the network is being stated is a core EVM. Okay, so know that the wallet address you're looking for now, it has to come from decentralized exchange, and it has to be core mainnet. It has to be core blockchain. It has to be core network. Okay, so don't make a mistake of adding core wallet address from a centralized exchange. You get what I'm trying to say? Don't make such a mistake. For example, if you're adding core wallet address from MEXC, the exchange that is not the wallet address, that you're adding from the exchange, you are making a mistake. Or if you are even adding core wallet address from BitGet wallet exchange, BitGet exchange, you are making a mistake. So if you are adding core wallet address from any wallet, it has to be a decentralized wallet. It has to be a decentralized wallet. Okay, like BitGet wallet address that we just create now is decentralized. It's not the exchange. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are clear with that. Okay, so Clend is what we're using. Then we click on the Clend and click on the Clend. Then you have show you to link withdraw address. You click on it. By now, I think this shouldn't, at this point, it shouldn't be an issue for you if you have been participating in the Satoshi airdrop. Okay, so you will add the wallet address that I just copied now. We just copied from the BitGet. I'm not going to add it because that's not my wallet. Okay, because I've done my own already. So I just want to show you. So you add it, then you will now add also the asset, the asset password. The asset password. Your asset password is different from your login password, your Satoshi app login password. Okay, so if you don't have asset password, if you have not created it before, you can go to me. Okay, you click on me. When you click on me, to bring you to this page. Then you click on personal settings. When you click on the personal settings, it will take you to let's see. When you click on personal settings, to take you to this page, to take you here, to bring you here, where you have so many other things that you can set here that has to do with you. Okay, so now on the personal settings, you can see that you have asset password. So if you don't have it already, if you don't have asset password already, this is where you set it up. You click on it, then you do your settings. The email, another email confirmation that will be sent to your email to confirm. And when you set it up, if you are setting up the asset password afresh, you have to wait for 71 hour or like 3 days or 2 days. I think 2 days or 3 days thereabout. So it's not gonna be effective immediately. It's gonna be effective immediately. You have to wait. So before you be able to now say you want to proceed with withdrawal. So it's better if you have to set up asset password, it's better you do it earlier, not that when the submission is about to close, maybe a day or two, or a day to the when the submission will be closed. That is when you are now trying to set up asset. It means that you might not be able to meet up submitting your letter address. So it's better you do it. You do it now that you still have plenty days before the closure. Okay. So and if you want to do other things, you want to change your password, you want to change your email and all that, you can do all that in this your personal settings. Okay, so okay, so that is that. When you have created your asset password, you put in your asset password, then you click on Clend withdrawal address. Okay, so when you click on it, you continue the process. To continue the process, just follow the prompt. I can't do it now because I've already added my one, and moreover, this is for security reasons, I won't be able to just do it live here, but I can show you what to do. So when you submit the asset, your wallet address and the asset password, and use every other thing that you followed through the process, you get the OTP in your email. You get the OTP, you insert the OTP, then you do the face verification. Once your face verification is done, once it's done, to bring up this telling you that the Clend withdraw address link is successfully. It could be something, it could be another project. Remember I said what we are discussing now can also be applied to other projects. So anytime you are interacting with the Satoshi app, you are participating in any project, and it gets to the point where you have to submit your wallet address, just get the update. Make sure you go to that, or go to this update. Go to this update. Here. Go to this update. Okay, you come here. Sorry, you come to the announcement, the airdrop announcement, to read up about the what is needed. And if it's being stated that you have to use core EVM, this process will be perfect for you. Remember, you can use, remember what that means. It doesn't mean that it must be BitGet wallet, okay? It doesn't mean that it must be BitGet wallet, but it has to be a decentralized wallet. It has to be a wallet address from a decentralized wallet, okay? So a decentralized wallet that has core. You of course you don't want to use what do you call now, Trust Wallet. You go to Trust Wallet. You can see that there's no core blockchain on Trust Wallet. Okay, so okay, I'm just giving an example. So though some people force it into that and on that, at the end of the day they might have issues. So if you are even on MetaMask, so you realize that even on MetaMask, when you are setting up the RPC, the core RPC and all that, it will still tell you that there's error, that is not compatible. It could be harmful, it could be that, because it's not native in the MetaMask. Core is not native. It's not a default blockchain, not a default network on MetaMask. So it will be addressed that way. It's expected to be addressed that way. So it doesn't mean that it's not genuine. Okay, it doesn't mean that the core is not legit. So of course by now you should know by yourself. Someone even missed out linking his or wallet address. I mean, submitting his OEX wallet address for withdrawal. Someone missed out because of that. Because the person was scared, saying it's saying the what is it called now, that the RPC is not matching, it's not, it could be scam, it could be that and all that. So and he couldn't download the OEX to the phone, but he was able to access the MetaMask. But I told him to go ahead and just follow what he saw in the video, but he refused. By the end of the day, he was not able to submit. Okay, and of course, you know what will happen to those OEX that could not be withdrawn from the Satoshi app already. So okay, so that is it. So I hope that is clear. So once you are able to submit, let's go back to the home page. So once you're able to submit, and it shows you this, that Clend withdrawal address link is successfully, or any other project that you are participating in, because Clend is ended already, some other project will come up. So once it shows that, it means that you are already successfully linked your wallet address. Okay, just know. And after that, of course, if you go back now, if I go back to this wallet now, to the asset, I go back to the Clend now, and you will see that it's still showing link withdraw address. That doesn't mean that that I've not linked my withdrawal address, because I've done that already. So, and it has been successfully linked. So don't panic when you see link withdrawal address. Don't keep linking several times. I think now, when you try to link again, it will tell you that it will show that it's been linked successfully. So if I click on it again, the process will still be there and add another. Okay, but once you have done it once and it's showing you that it's been successfully linked, you are fine. Okay, so just wait for the disbursement. And again, when you are done linking, when you link it already, and you have to now wait. So what will happen is that when it get to time, when the team have worked on it, when they have worked on the process, on the withdrawal to an extent, when they've started working on the withdrawal, you will see that sometimes, let's take OG for example. Let's take OG for example. So you can see that those of you that participated in the OG2 will notice this in your asset, on your OG. You can see that OG has moved from here, from the balance, is no longer available again. So you can see that it's already in frozen. Okay, already in frozen. So it means that your wallet has been linked successfully, and the team has they have moved the asset. They have moved your asset is on the way already. It means that it's already on the way. Though it might still take a long time before you receive, but definitely it means that there are some works have been done on it already. That is it. That's why you're seeing it there. So there's no need to panic. Okay, when you don't think, okay, because your balance is zero now, and the available is also zero, and you have it in frozen, and you start panicking. No, there's no point for that. It means that you're already on the go. Okay, so okay, what else are we going to talk about on this? How to withdraw tokens from Satoshi app. Okay, I think that's about it for now. That will be it for now on this part. Okay, I don't think I left anything out. Okay, so that is it. So just remember the key things are you can link any decentralized you can link the core address from any decentralized wallet, any DEX. You can link core address from any decentralized wallet. That's your EVM address, EVM wallet address. Okay, that's your EVM wallet address. But just make sure you do from the one that is convenient for you. Okay, just make sure you do from the one that is convenient for you, and be sure that you play safe as well. Ensure that your private key is private. Just keep it private. Just keep it private. Okay. Okay. So okay. So that is it. And if, like, for example, let me just show you something again. If you have, let's assume that you link core address from your OEX app. Core address from your OEX app. That's from the core mainnet. Okay. Let's say you link, you copy from that and you linked it. So even when the Clend is out, when the Clend is out, you can, that private key of that OEX, you can still import it in any other decentralized exchange that has core as a default blockchain on their platform. Okay, like a BitGet2, you can take it there. You can still take it to MetaMask also. Okay, you can take it to MetaMask if you wish. That means you have to, if you have it on MetaMask, you have to now use the token. You have to use the token contract to be able to find that token. You have to use the token contract when the token is out. When the token contract is out, you have to use it. That is on MetaMask. Okay, that is on MetaMask. So okay, so that's about it. So if you have any question, you can drop your question. Let me see if there's a question that we can just take on right now. But if not, if there's none, we will call it a day for this live class. Okay, I don't think there's a question now. There's no question. I'm not seeing any question. All right, so if you are seeing this video after now, you can drop your comments. Okay, you can drop your questions, will be to be addressed. And to make it also better and to keep it going as well, you can join our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel. You see the link. The link is you see the link in the description of this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The goal is to reach the 50k subscribers. Okay, so we can see we are still far from that. We are 15.2k. So let's just try and let's support in our own way. And subscribe, like this video, and also share this video. Your likes go a long way. Like the video and sharing this video to people you know can benefit as well will go a long way. And make sure you subscribe too. I would really appreciate that. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. So we'll call it a day for now. Till we meet again. There are a couple of other things we need to discuss on the Satoshi Airdrop app. So there are some other benefits, a lot of benefits available on it as well that we need to discuss, which we cannot do now because you can see that they spent plenty time on this, almost 1 hour already. Okay, so thank you for being part of this, and we'll be doing more live on some other projects too, on some other discussion as well, so that we'll be able to connect better and better and better. All right, so have a wonderful time, and thank you for being a part of this live class. You can watch this over and over again to grasp more and other lessons before now on Satoshi Airdrop app. You can find it on this channel. All right, so thank you once again. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your presence and following up. All right, have a wonderful time till we meet again. Love you so much. All right, bye for now.